Hello, everybody. Today, I'm here to talk with you about my new ebook, FSSC 22000 version 5 and ISO 22000 2018 Blueprint, a hands-on diagram-based approach to the food safety management systems. In fact, it's much more than an ebook. I could talk about its features. For instance, inside ISO, you will find 25 diagrams that will help understand it. And inside the FSSC section, a 9-page long interview with the FSSC Managing Director and Technical Director, or even about 2 Excel files that will help you develop the food defense and food fraud programs. But I don't want to take your precious time with that. I hope you can follow the link that I'm providing in this post, and you can go inside my website, and there you'll find everything you need about the ebook. Today, I want to talk about what makes me most proud, joining food safety professionals together. You know, information comes easy, knowledge comes with experience. And that is exactly what you will find inside the groups of food safety professionals that have already joined me in this journey. It does not make sense anymore to be alone in your office, in your company, working to provide safe food to the consumers. We are in an era where food safety professionals can easily work and learn together. You must find your tribe. I hope you can join mine, but if not, go and search support with other food safety professionals. This ebook is also your ticket inside this group of professionals that work together to provide safe food to the consumers. I hope I can find you there. Thank you for giving me the privilege of your attention.